What's up everyone? How's everyone doing? This is AppStoreReviewer and I'm here to do a review of iMob Online. It's a social networking type of game where you create your mob and fight other mobs and get bigger and bigger in the leaderboards. So before I get started, I want to let you know to make sure to add me to your mob when you get this app if you do. Just so we can, I only have one mob member and that's me, but once I do get this video up, I should get some more mob members. I'm trying to aim for a lot. So how you add someone is you go to invite and you're gonna go to redeem code, redeem by friend code, and I'll have my friend code in the video description, and I'll also display it right now for a few seconds and you can pause the video. It's 116534. I'll have that in the video description. So here's your main dashboard where it tells you your cash, health, energy, respect, stamina, and mob, and my level. So it is a very full-featured application with a few bugs here and there and some long loading times, but everything just makes up for all those cons. It's kind of like that game Mobsters on MySpace, if you ever played that, kind of that type of game. And what I'm going to do is when you add me is I'll be able to post bulletins to the whole mob, and also alright, that was news. It tells me if I was attacked or anything. I don't have that white balance. Post bulletin to your mob, and also comments. So I can send a bulletin. I'm not going to do that. So what the point of this application is that you have to get higher in the rankings, get money, buy weapons, fight other mobs, and so missions. This is one of the first things you're going to be able to do. You're going to need some weapons to do. It says required, like right here you're going to need this to do it. Right here you need nothing. This is purse snatching, and so let's do the job for this one. And I get $156. This one requires more energy, but you get paid more. Let's try that one. I got 836 and 3 experience points. And the experience points are to level up. Right now I have 5. We'll do another one and see if that goes up. Then now I have 6. And you keep leveling up. You're not going to get unlimited energy, of course. It's an app that you're going to have to come back to, which is the best part about it. The replay value is really high. So you'll be coming back to it. The energy loads up fast. And, within 30 minutes you'll be all loaded back up. So also the cash, what you're going to do is with your cash after you do all your missions is you're going to buy weapons, buy more weapons, or properties, invested in a property. A property can range from 5,000 to a lot, millions. So, but you're going to get more money. So let's say you buy this one right here, which is $5,000. You're going to get $100 every 54 minutes. So let's say you go to sleep. By the time you're awake, you're going to have $1,000. This one is $50,000, but you get $300. This one's $100,000 and you get $2,000 every hour. So you can only imagine this will go up, and you'll be getting a lot of money. So, and with that money, you'll go into weapons, and you can buy weapons, and you unlock more every single 10 levels or 5 levels. So I'm gonna unlock more weapons and vehicles at level 15. And right now I have these unlocked, the cars, and it gets attack. So when you're gonna fight other mobbers or mobsters, it'll have more attack, and it ranges from more defense to more attack. You can buy them or sell them if you already have them. I already have a few. So right here, if you go into bank, you can withdraw or deposit your money. I have 6,000 in the bank. Let's go ahead and deposit my 1,100. 97, done. So there it is, deposited. It takes a little bit of money, but that's protecting it from if you get in a fight, you don't lose money. You're not going to lose all the money. Let's say you have 100,000 without, not even with depositing it. You're not going to lose 100,000. You'll probably lose like $1,000 or maybe 2,000. Top iMobbers. That's a problem right now with iMob Online, and they're working to fix it. I actually talked to the developers, really nice people, by the way, and they said that they're working to fix it. There's a cheat in the game that people have figured out to get billions of dollars, but all those people that have cheated, it's going to suck because you guys are going to get moved to another server, which is called the cheaters server. So don't cheat, guys, because you don't want to be in the cheaters server and not be able to compete versus like people that have actually not cheated. My iMob, I only have one person, but once I do get people, I'll post bulletins, I'll comment with you guys. You know, it'll be a fun interactive experience. That's pretty much it for iMob. This is a really in-depth application. I'm obviously not going to show every single feature. I'll show another one right here, which is the Dawn. You can buy respect points from the App Store. It's, I think, 10 respect points for $1, and those 10 respect points you can use to see. It says the Dawn offers you $50,000 for 10 respect points. So that's pretty cool. $50,000 for $1 that you pay in the App Store, and with those $50,000 you can invest it in a property that'll later make you a lot of money. It's all about strategy, guys. But join my mob. Let's try to make this mob the biggest in this game. I think with all the viewers that we have, I think we can make this mob pretty big. Also, marked men are the people that are marked, and you can attack them and get the money that they're offering. So let's say I mark someone, I'll offer a bounty, and then you kill them, but obviously I'm not going to be able to kill someone like this. I mean, of course they're offering billions of dollars. I'm not going to be able to, you know, even I didn't even have it focused over here. Sorry, guys. So invite. This is where I'm telling you guys you can invite my pending invites. I don't have any right now. I only have one person, but once this video goes up, we're gonna make the biggest mob, you'll see. So pending, I'm gonna accept every single friend invite. Comment with me, guys. I'll be posting bulletins throughout the day all the time, because this application is gonna be an application that you have to come back to. I actually talked to the developers, and they have a really cool scheme that they're gonna be doing. Not scheme, but little idea. They're gonna be updating this application every single week with new updates, as they say, maybe every 2 weeks, with new weapons, new options, you know. So this is gonna keep growing. The best is still to come in this application. It's not too old. This is a really new application. So you can also redeem. Go to the app and then redeem and add me, and then we'll have a big mob. And the code will be in the description. So just enter this code. You'll enter the code. Okay, and then in a few hours I'll go ahead and accept you, and we'll make a big mob. So I think that's pretty much it. This application is a 7 out of 10. The only 3 stars I took off were because of the loading times and the bugs. That you know, there's a few bugs here and there. Sometimes when you open it, it'll crash, but just go back to it and it'll work. That's still a problem. You know, sometimes I'll have to go into it twice until it actually works. It has a little slow connection times, but it does make up for all the features that you get. So iMob Online, don't forget to add me. The friend request, or the friend redeem, I'll show you again. You have to go to invite right down in the corner right here, and you go to redeem, and you enter my code. That'll be in the description, and then I will go into pending invites, and I'll be accepting all of your invites. Let's try to make this a big mob, guys. Anyways, seems like that's all I'm trying to get out of this review, but guys, I'm trying to get out that you should get this app. This is a really great application for free, and you can buy respect points for $1 though. That's the only thing that you could do. I'm rambling, guys. So thanks for watching, everyone. Peace.